Howdy again, it's Mr. Pete, your internet teacher. Welcome back to episode 87A, the question portion of my What Is It Mystery Tool series. I have 4 items right here and 1 extra credit, so let's get started. If you want to join in the fun, give a guess, and each item is marked with a number, so tell me what number 1 is in the comments if you know. The answers can be serious or funny. Be sure and read through them from time to time because you might find it interesting. And in about 1 week we will have the answers, and that will be number 87B. So what is this aluminum item here given to me by Ray Jarmello, one of the big contributors to my channel? Now there is some information here that I covered up. It is number 1. We got some kind of tip here and a tip here with numbers, or I should say a ruler almost. And when we turn this knurled nut here in the middle, you can see that the ruler, or whatever it is, the gauge, is moving in and out. So what is the purpose of this archaic item? And I have no idea what this stud is for back here. Looks like kind of an expensive tool. Number 1. Number 2, kind of an unusual tool. I might have shown this before, I really don't know. And these come in more than one size. I don't want you to see what it says right here. Looks to be very well made. Square hole. This will rotate. So what is number 2? Okay, number 3 is actually a whole set of these items. And I'm just going to show you the biggest one because it'll show up the best. There is a name right here. I'm going to cover that up. I don't want you to see that. It's knurled right here, and the unusual thing here is the tip. All of these have a tip like that. Of course, they're varying in size. This is not a real common tool, but it sure is useful when you need it. Again, number 3. Now number 4 here, I didn't know what it was myself when I bought it at a recent flea market. Second-hand store. It's got a very long wand on it and a hole in the end. Very nicely rounded and smooth. I think it's stainless steel. And there was a name right here that I have covered, and it's got this little button here. This little lever, this little gauge, not gauge, stopper or whatever it is. Also a name over on the other side. This is aluminum. And then here is a hole in the other end. This looks like the working end. And here maybe you put what? Air or something in there? I don't know. I actually do know. What is number 4? You'll never guess. Not in a million years will anyone guess what this is. Here's number 5. You can barely read the 5. I was traveling recently and saw this beautiful clock here in the Midwest. I want you to tell me what the name of the clock is, or the company on it, where it is located, and this is the significance of it. And here's another picture of number 5, a close-up of it. So what is it, where is it, and what is it called? Okay, thank you for watching, thank you for commenting. And I will see you in the second part, 87B, the answer, when available in about 1 week from the time that this video was published. This is Mr. Pete saying so long for now.